Hi guys! Naklik niyo ba ang video to dahil papalapit na ang expiration ng green card niyo? Or naghanap kayo ng ideas kung ano ang mga kailangan na documents for filing petition to remove conditions on residence? Don't worry guys, nasa tamang channel kayo. So in this video, I would like to show you how I organize my I-751 packet. But before that, disclaimer po muna tayo. Okay, so guys, this is how I organize my application. Sorry, copy lang siya kasi I already submitted na yesterday. So I forgot to vlog before I submit. So copy na lang siya. Anyway, so just imagine lang. Just imagine it. So, on the top of my application is my payment check. I blurred it because it's confidential. But, this is what it looks like, how you will make a payment check for your I-751. Also, you can find this in USCIS webpage. And I also put in description box para madali nyo na lang hanapin or makita yung how to make a check, much is the application fee, and more. It's all in the description box. Also, speaking of application fee, guys, application fee is already 750. Okay, it's 750. It's not 680 anymore. 680 was last year, and the USCIS just changed or higher their price this year. Just recently lang, this April, nagtaas na sila ng presyo. It's already 750 na siya. And then, if you don't want check, you can also pay through credit card. But if you will pay credit card, you will gonna file a form. I forgot the name of the form, but I will just put in here the form. So yeah, that's why I prefer, or I choose the check na lang or personal check. You can also use money order also. Oh, next! By the way, guys, I also use clips and like, is this clip or this is the clip? I use this and this for my files because they said that if you will staple it, bawal daw kasi they will scan your files, so it's more easy for them na ganito yung mga gamitin natin. Alright, next is the cover letter. After the check is the cover letter. My cover letter is composed of 2 pages.
My spaghetti has sauce. What about yours?
About the cover letter, I can't show it to you kasi we're different naman eh. But if you want the samples for cover letters, you can find naman sa Google. They have lots of examples there. So next for the cover letter is the form G1145 or e-notification of application or petition acceptance. But this is not required, but just in case you want the USCIS to message you, inform you na we receive your form, something like that. So yeah, it's better to include the form G1145. By the way, yeah, this is what it looks like. You can also find that in the USCIS webpage. Next is the completed and signed form I-751. You can find this form also in description box. Make sure, guys, take note. Make sure it's the correct version of the form. Kasi diba sometimes they will update it. They will change the date. Make sure that yung in-upload yung form is updated siya. Updated version. By the way pala, all of your files, sorry guys, all of your files, make sure it's all just photocopies. Don't send original. Unless they required. But yeah, all is photocopies. Okay. So back. So next will be your copy of your USCIS form I-551, or is permanent resident card, and it should be back and front and back to back. Okay, next will be the biographic page of your passport. Your passport, and of course your US citizen spouse passport, which is your husband or kung sino yung partner nyo dito sa US. Next is the copy of your marriage certificate. Next is copy of joint tax return, form 1040. So, depends na sa inyo kung kailan kayo nag-start ng joint tax return. But yeah, okay, so next will be your financial records showing joint ownership. Example of that will be like copy of your checking and savings account statement from your bank. So, if marami kayong bank, yun lahat lagay nyo. Next will be proof of insurance. Proof of insurance, example of that will be the copies of your dental and medical insurance card, back and front again. Then, copies of homeowners and insurance showing your joint policy. And then, next will be copies of your car insurance showing joint ownership of cars. Yun. Next will be copy of report of marriage to the Philippines. Also, you need to include a divorce decree if your partner is married before. Yeah, importante din yun. And then, next will be proof of joint occupancy. Samples of that will be the copies of your driver's license that's showing the same address together. Driver's license of your husband and yours. If wala pa kayong driver's license, then permit. Driver's permit, pwede din yon. If wala din kayong driver's permit, hindi pa kayo nagto-drive, so state ID. Yon, pwede din yon. As long as it shows both of you is living the same address. Okay, next will be copies of your bills like water bills, electricity bills, internet bills, ano pa bang mga bills? But yeah, yung mga bills nyo. Mine will be mga ano lang yung pinas ko, mga recent 4 months lang. Recent 4 months, recent 3 months. Some of them, they put like recent 6 months. But, I don't know, I just put 4 months. Siguro kasi masyado nang madami. Baka hindi na magkasya. But, it's nice din naman na marami para, diba, strong yung evidence nyo. Okay, so also guys, if you're living in an apartment, yeah, kailangan din yun. Like, lease of mortgage contracts, yung mga ganon, yeah. I-show nyo din, ilagay nyo din yun sa, sa packet nyo. Next will be evidence of continued bona fide marital relationship. Examples of that will be sworn affidavit letters from family and friends. So, about the sworn affidavit letters, guys, so, they said that you need to notarize them, but based on what we research, pwede naman hindi nyo i-notarize yung sworn affidavit letters. As long as, dun sa letter nyo, nakalagay na, we affirm or I swear under penalty of perjury, that the foregoing is true and correct to the best of our knowledge. Yung ganon. So, as long as merong yung sentence na yun, yeah, it's fine. Okay lang. Mine is, dalawa lang yung sworn affidavit ko. Mostly, they said 3 letters, but mine is just 2. One is from my husband's family, my in-laws, and one is from my friend. Okay, continue tayo ha. Next will be copies of your boarding passes and hotel bookings. Yung mga trips nyo together. Yeah, need nyo din yun, mga itinerary ticket. Need nyo din yun, mga copies doon. And then lastly, will be your photos together with families and friends. From, siguro, from you came here until present. Siguro mga ganun na pictures. I don't know, it depends on you guys. Kasi, yung sa akin, I put photos together with my husband and with friends also. Pero, yung mga ano na lang, mga after ng kasal na namin. Kasi, I remember, I sent pictures sa mga weddings namin before when I file IOS or adjustment of status. So, baka meron na din kasi doon eh. So, ayoko din naman na ma-duplicate lang So I sent a new updated mga pictures together for this Form I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. So yeah, yun lahat guys. Also by the way, maglagay din kayo ng mga ganito under your below of your copies, below of your files, kasi para hindi sila mahirapan to find your files, para mas madali na lang nila. Some they put up in the top, but I think it's more easy if sa baba. So guys, after that, after nabuo ko na lahat yung files ko, I put that in this type of yellow envelope. I don't know if this is yellow or a brown envelope, but yes, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Uy, yeah, like this. Some they have like a clip something thingy, and then you just put like that. Yeah, ito yung ginamit ko sending my files. And then at the back of this, I put Form I-751 petition to remove condition on residence. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, if you're asking where I bought this, I just bought this in Dollar Tree. But kahit naman saan pwede kayong makabili nito, like sa Walmart and everything. Okay, next is after that, nung nilagay ko na lahat doon sa envelope, lahat ng files ko, I use the flat rate, USCIS flat rate envelope like this. Ito yung ginamit ko kasi doon ako nagpasa. So, if you don't like sa USPS guys, you can also send in a different postal service like FedEx, UPS, DHL, yung mga ganun. Pwede din naman yun. But make sure, remember, they're not the same address. Kasi, the address will be depend on the state you live in. Gaya ng, for example, you're from Utah, so iba din yung address na isisend yung file mo. For example, you're from Florida, so iba din yung address na isisend mo yung packet mo. So make sure guys, about sending the files, don't worry kasi you can find that also in the USCIS webpage, or it's also there in my description box. So don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. Also guys, make sure pala na all your forms ng yung mga kailangan i-sign nyo, i-review nyo talaga na kung lahat ba ay napirmahan, gaya ng yung Form I-751 nyo, meron dong mga signature doon na kailangan pirmahan, yung cover letter nyo, kaya meron din doon na kailangan yung pirmahan, and about sa, especially if you're filing jointly, so your husband's signature and your signature is important. Unless kung ikaw lang nag-file, di ba? By the way guys, insert ko lang to kasi I almost forgot. If you're worried na baka late na kayo mag-file ng Form I-751, don't worry. Kasi before ang 90 business days, bago ang expiration date ng green card nyo, 1 month before that, may matatanggap kayo sa USCIS na ganito. Matatanggap nyo yan sa mail nyo. But if not, it's still fine. Kasi you can still look when to file your petition to remove conditions sa USCIS webpage. So, dun sa webpage, may makikita kayo dong use the filing date calculator. Ilagay nyo lang yung month, day, and year kung kailan yung expiration date nyo. Makikita yung expiration date nyo doon sa green card nyo. So, pag-click nyo yan, click nyo lang ng submit. At doon na mag-show up kung kailan kayo pwedeng or yung earliest na pwede kayong mag-file or mag-submit ng inyong petition to remove condition on residence sa USCIS. I guess, nasabi ko na lahat. So, yes, that's all for today. I hope nakatulong sa inyo. Don't forget to like if nagustuhan nyo. If hindi, it's fine. Share if you think it's helpful information. And subscribe if you want more updated videos. Oh, also, don't forget to comment down below if you have questions. Pwede kong masagot. Kung kaya ko lang masagot, diba? And also, if you want, what you want me to do on my next video. Yeah, just comment down below. So, yeah, good luck to us. And bye!